You might come across this in your forthcoming exam. Here's exactly how to crack it. This is a sample on organic chemistry. Which of the following is not a member of the homologous series of the paraffin, which are also called alkanes? Please note that alkanes are also called paraffin. I'll take that down. Alkanes are also called paraffin because they do not engage in much reaction, meaning, or you can say they engage in few reactions. So paraffin, this is because of the little reactions, like little affinity for chemical reactions. They have little affinity for chemical reactions. Now you need to also note something, that there is a general molecular formula. There's a general formula for alkanes, and the general formula is actually given as CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. So whenever you come across this question, we make use of CnH2n plus 2, and you plug in the data for the carbon atoms. So we are just going to try that. First is C3, and it becomes C3, then H, wherever we see N, because the C3 will also, the 3 will also be our N. So we'd say 2, open bracket, times 3, close bracket, plus 2. And so would arrive at C3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. C3H8. So this is an alkane, and let's check whether there's a C3H8 there. So our option A is correct. Our option A is actually an alkane. We'll do the same thing for option B, which is C5H. We do not know. So our N here now is 5. So we say 2 times 5, close bracket, plus 2. So it becomes C5H. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So option B is also an alkane. We'll do the same thing for option C. Option C, the carbon atom is 7. 7 carbon atom. So I'll put that here. C7H2 times 7 plus 2. C7 equals 2 times 7 is 14. 14, 15, 16. Sorry. H16, right? 14 plus 2 is 16. So let's see. So option C is also correct. Now, the last ones we are having here is for C15 and C24. Let's see if they are both correct. So carbon 15, H would say 15 times 2 plus 2. C15 would give us 15 times 2 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. 32. And we also try for C24 and C24. H24 times 2 plus 2. So we have C24. H24 times 2 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. So C24 is C24H50, and also the C15 is C15H32. Now let's take a look at our question. You would note that C15 is C15H32, which is correct, and E is wrong. E is not paraffin, because it's supposed to be C24H50. Here is it. Here is it. Here it's supposed to be C24H50, but The option is actually C24 H48, and so that is actually wrong. So the correct option here, the option that is not a paraffin, is option E. Would you like to solve similar questions as this? Click on the link in the description box. You win. Just believe.